First of all, it's appropriate we're in Queensland because 2 of the 3 finalists for the Apprentice of the Year are from Queensland, in fact, North Queensland. So I don't know what you guys are doing. I don't know what you guys are doing up here, but whatever you're doing, keep doing. And the 3rd finalist, who's not here this evening, is from South Australia. And importantly, too, a girl, female. So I think that's fantastic. This year it was incredibly close, really close between the last 3 finalists, and it came down to a couple of cylinders apparently, and some picking skills and impressioning skills. And they rated it with points, and there was 5 points difference, so it was incredibly close. So to the 3rd and 2nd place, there's always going to be a 3rd and 2nd, but 3rd and 2nd, I apologise, you did a great job, and you did your industry and your bosses proud. So without further ado, I'll announce the 3rd place getter, who's not here actually, is Lisa Nottage from Woodpen Hardware, Premier Locksmiths, South Australia. And 2nd place, and once again, just Pip, but 2nd place, Aidan Binstead from RUSWIN. And you're doing something right, Lenny, because you got the chocolates last year. So it's pretty obvious, isn't it? The winner is Luke Bergin. Coming up and clean. Yeah. One more. I'll hand over to Luke, who I'm sure would like to say a few words.
Go, Lukey!
Alright, lucky I was told to prepare a bit of a speech just in case. So, I'm going to be more public speaking, but we'll see how we go. Alright, so first of all, I'd like to thank the Master Locksmiths Association, Avis, Silka and LSE for sponsoring this event, for giving myself and apprentices across Australia the opportunity to participate in such a prestigious award. To be a recipient of this award is such an honour, and also very, very unexpected, to be honest. I'd also like to thank my employer, RUSWIN, with special mentions to Stan Neal, Stu Neal and Glenn Westthorpe. These are gentlemen, obviously, took a chance on me when I finished high school, and for that I'm so grateful for what they've done. They've set me up for a career and a life, and also the wonderful tradesmen and tradeswomen that I work with and that I've learned these skills off over my time. I'd also like to thank Skills Tech Tape at Eagle Farm, Aaron, Andy, Cliff, John, Mark. May your persistence and pay off. And for that I take it to every job I do with me, no matter how big or small. And also, I'm sure Mum and Dad will be jumping up and down once they hear the news, because they've just been huge support from the start right to now. And finally, I'd like to thank everyone for coming tonight. You're fantastic. I've listened to a lot here over the past few days. Can't remember all your names for the life of me, but I promise I'll try. However, though, winning this award does not mean it's the end of my journey. It's only the start to bigger things. So thank you all.